Welcome to Forex Market Trends. Today we're looking at the Australian dollar, which is gaining strength as the U.S. dollar continues to remain under pressure ahead of the upcoming U.S. non-farm payroll benchmark revision. This move highlights how currency traders are positioning themselves before key data releases that could set the tone for global markets. The U.S. dollar has been on the weaker side recently, driven by growing expectations that the Federal Reserve may shift toward a more dovish stance in the coming months. Softer U.S. economic data and easing inflation concerns have fueled speculation that rate cuts might be closer than previously thought. As yields decline and the greenback loses its edge, currencies like the Australian dollar are finding room to strengthen. For the Aussie, the move higher isn't just about U.S. dollar weakness. Commodity-linked currencies often respond to shifts in global risk sentiment, and with markets cautiously optimistic, the Australian dollar is benefiting from that broader mood. Additionally, steady demand for resources and relatively stable domestic conditions are supporting the currency's resilience. Traders are also watching the U.S. non-farm payroll benchmark revision closely. Employment data remains a critical driver for Fed policy expectations, and any surprise in the numbers could either deepen the dollar's weakness or give it some temporary support. This means the Australian dollar's current rise could be tested if the data shifts market sentiment in favor of the dollar. From a technical perspective, the Aussie's climb reflects a corrective move against the dollar's broader weakness. Traders are eyeing key resistance levels to see if momentum continues or if the currency faces a pullback once the U.S. data is released. For now, the picture remains one of opportunity and caution. If the dollar continues to weaken, the Australian dollar could see further gains. On the other hand, a stronger-than-expected jobs report might tilt the balance back toward the greenback. This tug-of-war between expectations and data makes the current setup especially interesting for traders. That's it for today's update on the Australian dollar and the U.S. dollar ahead of the non-farm payroll revision. Stay tuned for more insights into the Forex market, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Forex Market Trends so you never miss the latest analysis.